Hi everyone, this is the Elevate Project. I'm Ryan. Welcome to another video. So you decided to start a YouTube channel to share your knowledge, your experience, and your expertise. One of the following steps is to start and set up a YouTube channel. So all you need to do is log into YouTube if you haven't already and sign in with your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you can easily create one for free. And once you're logged in, you're going to see that icon on the right-hand side. There's going to be a drop-down, and there should be an option to create a YouTube channel. When you click on that, you're going to be presented with the YouTube Studio. And there, you have started a YouTube channel. We're going to spend some time in this video in the YouTube Studio to help you optimize your YouTube channel at the very minimum, setting up some branding for your brand new YouTube channel. So to get us started, let's jump into the YouTube Studio. Okay, so here is a demo account that I created. It's really simple, as you can see. It is a clean slate, 0 subscribers. And here on the left-hand side gives you a few options: dashboard, content, playlist, analytics, comments, subtitles, etc. And we want to go all the way down to customization. And here you're going to be presented with a few tabs on the top: layout, branding, and basic info. So I want you to click on branding, and this is where you're going to be able to customize your brand for your YouTube channel. So here is picture profile, banner image, and video watermark. If you already have all these set up, all you need to do is click upload and upload your images to the corresponding areas. So for your picture, we're going to go upload. I'm just going to choose one of my pictures here, and we'll set that up as the profile picture. And I'm going to skip the banner image just for a moment and go to the video watermark. Video watermark for me, for the Elevate project, because my picture profile is just a logo, which basically is just text that says the Elevate project. I actually use that as the watermark as well. If you're using an actual picture for your picture profile, you may want to choose your video watermark with your logo or something that is aligned with your brand. Just for this example, I am going to upload the Elevate Project podcast cover album. So if you're interested to listen to my podcast, you can definitely check that out in the links below, or you can search for the Elevate Project podcast in your favorite podcast player, Apple Podcasts, or even Spotify. So we're just going to use this as the watermark for now. When you click on that, it gives you a few options. You're going to notice that you can select to have your watermark show up at the end of the video. You can have it custom start time, so you can have it, let's say, start from the beginning for the first 5 to 10 seconds, and then it will go away, or the entire video. So for my YouTube channel, I actually have that selected for the entire video. Being a small creator right now, I like to have my branding there, so if they did jump on my video, they can remember, or at least visually see, hopefully subconsciously, the Elevate project. So you can set that up any way that you like, but typically your picture profile, if it's a picture of you or someone specific, that you would want your video watermark to be some sort of logo. If you're like me, your picture profile could be your logo, and you can use it for the same thing for your video watermark. Now let's go back to banner image. I want to spend some time here because you can stick any image here. The problem is, for the best results, YouTube is looking for an image that's at least 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 megabytes or less. That's really a awkward dimension to put for an image. So if you already have one created, like I said, just upload it. But for those of you that don't, follow me, because I'm going to show you how to create one that will be high quality and fit the minimum expectation of what YouTube is looking for. And what we're going to be using is CANVA. If you don't know what CANVA is a website where you can create digital images for your YouTube thumbnails, YouTube banner, like what we're going to do, or other social media platforms for, let's say, Instagram post, Twitter feed, your Facebook, and more. Now, I do have a affiliate link, referral link below. Canva is free. If you find value and sign up with that link, and you find value later on, it does have a pro version which you can pay for. And if you do choose to do that, you can do that later on. But doing that will also help support the channel. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this dimension one more time, 2048 by 1152. So let's jump into Canva. So this is my account. I use Canva every single day. So you're going to notice there's some demos that I've been doing already for the banner. Here's my logo, and here are some quotes that I usually create every single day and post on my Instagram as well as my Twitter feed. So when you log into Canva, you may not see YouTube banner or YouTube thumbnail. And if you don't see that, that's not a problem. You can go to the search bar and just type in YouTube. When you do that, templates will pop up. And what we're going to be doing is focusing on the YouTube banner. So here's YouTube banner, and it gives you a bunch of templates. What's nice about this is that a lot of these are free templates to use and customize. And there are going to be some that have like this paid symbol or this crown that says Pro, and that's where you're going to be using, if you choose to, the Pro level or the paid version of Canva. To make it super simple, we're going to just choose one of these templates. I'm choosing this one. This is kind of one that I was working with a little bit before that I think aligns with the Elevate project brand. And all you need to do is just customize this. You can modify a lot of these. You can take this picture, make it bigger, make it smaller. But for my needs, we're just going to delete it. And delete this as well. I'm going to delete the subscribe. I don't know if I'm going to keep this because it would be nice to have my website on the banner. But just as an example, we'll just put Elevate Project, align this to the left, type in here YouTube channel, and I think that is good. I think maybe we'll just put this, you know what we're going to do? We're going to click this and just change this image a little bit. Put that up. Hit done. Bring this to the side. Perfect. There we go. All right, so I just kind of moved everything here to be a little bit more aligned, but that's it. You can add more if you want. If you want to add more images that aren't on there, you can go to Photos, and type in, let's just say, something random, pen. And here you're going to notice, again, you're going to have some options that are paid, which is the Pro. And there are also free ones as well that you can use. So there's a lot of variety here if you take the time to search. For this, I think we're done with the banner. We're going to hit share. We're going to hit download. And we are good to go. One thing that you're going to notice with this, if I go to File, it's 2560 by 1440 pixel. Why is that important? Because YouTube wants a minimum, I believe, is 2048 by 1152. So this is going to give us a larger pixel density, which is going to be great for us. It's going to give us a little bit of flexibility when we upload this to YouTube. So from there, we go back to the YouTube studio, click upload, and in the download section, we can upload these in. Then you're going to notice here that we have to just make some adjustments to make sure this fits the way that we want it to fit. And here it doesn't look like the Elevate project website is going to be all there. So there's a couple things that you can do. One, you can just have this show up, and this will tell you, it's like, hey, this is on a desktop. This is what they're going to see. So from here to here, which is fine. I'm good with that. Actually, even if I go this way, that'll be fine too if I center it. But let's go there. So this is what's going to be viewable. When you just hover over a desktop, that's what they're going to see on desktop. For viewable for TV, they're going to see the whole banner, which is really cool. The only thing that will be missing, I think, is on mobile devices. It may not get the .com, which is okay. I'm fine with that. At least they'll see it shows the Elevate project. I think that's going to be the biggest thing. So all you do now is hit publish. And when you publish this, we're going to take a look at the results and what this will look like on your YouTube channel. And so we're going to go to channel, and boom, there you go. We're done. We have a high quality image for free through CANVA. Again, a link is in the description. I have my profile picture there, which I can change at any time. I see my profile picture there. And now we're good there. So let's go back into the YouTube studio, and let's go back to the top here where we have layout, branding, and basic info. Let's go to basic info. So this is going to be an opportunity for you to just write the description of your YouTube channel. What are you wanting to share with the world? What kind of knowledge, experience, and expertise are you going to be focusing on? And the other thing that's going to be an advantage when you're writing the description, because you have 1,000 characters, this would be a great opportunity for you to add in your social links or any link that you would want them to connect with you with. That might be an affiliate link, that might be also your website. This could be also maybe some products and services that you sell. You can add them in the description. The reason why that's important, because whatever you write in the description will only be found when they click on the About page of your YouTube channel. And that's kind of important because you can add links. So when you add links, you can put, let's say, Twitter, and then put in your Twitter URL for your Twitter account. And I'm just going to put Elevate Project. Obviously, I don't have the link on me, but then you can add another link. This could be your Instagram, and you can put your URL. I'm just making this up right now just for the demo. And then here, this could be your website, and you can put your website, as you can see there. And then it will show the first 5 links in the banner. When I hit publish, this is super important because as soon as we go back to the channel and just refresh the page, we're going to see here on the left-hand side, we have Twitter and then those links. Obviously, if they were the actual Twitter or Instagram links of the profile, it will actually create the icon for Instagram and Twitter. And here, again, this is your About page. This is where they'll see your description. So you can still add your links there, but what's really cool, this will be the home page, and they will have the links right here. That's absolutely clickable. Okay. So there you have it. Nice and easy way to set up and optimize your YouTube channel. All you have to do now is press record and upload your videos on your brand new YouTube channel. If you found value in this video, you know what to do. And if you like content like this one and want to watch more, click on these videos right over here. Be safe, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.